Well, welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to this final part of the Italeri C-47 Skytrain build today. So I've been a busy little bee because, as you can see, I've just been doing a bit of painting. So this is all good to go now. So what we're going to do today, we'll get this masking off, and then hopefully so we'll get the masking off, and then we can do a little bit of painting around the edges here, so that because we're going to go and do the British version of this aircraft. So there you go. Yeah, we're going to try and get these. We're going to try and get these wing edges painted in black, and so on and so forth. So for the most part of the video is going to be on Hyperlapse. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We're just going to we'll switch on over to the Hyperlapse, and we'll make a start, shall we? Well, guys, that's it. It is all finished, and I'm actually quite pleased. I mean, there you go. Got the invasion markings on there as well. So I'm actually quite pleased with this. Not bad for a first attempt at doing an Italeri kit, but there you go. So anyway, next up, I'm gonna do the Vault Corsair F for U4 from Revell. So just as a bit of a stopgap between now and the end of the year. So and it will also give me a bit of a again, make a bit of a change from Airfix as well. So so yeah, in the meantime, guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, why don't you? And subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. It also helps to grow the channel as well, and also again, once again, it puts a smile on my face. So so also comment and share the video as well. So in the meantime, guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon for the Vault Corsair from Revell. Okay, which I'll do an unboxing video for that coming up. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.